Lighting up the way. Valley Electric Association.
Attorneys for Ashley Wynn were in court yesterday to pursue a possible change of venue or recusal of the judge for possible retrial or direct appeal. Wynn was found guilty on July 2, 2019 on charges of DUI causing death and DUI causing substantial bodily injury. Christine Weir was killed in the crash that occurred on September 24th of 2016 at the intersection of Dandelion and Honeysuckle Streets in Pahrump. Weir's fiance, Brian Schwanier, suffered critical injuries. Attorneys for Wynn argued yesterday that Wynn did not receive a fair trial because of publicity surrounding the case that prejudiced the jury. They also stated that Wynn had been in Judge Lane's court a few years prior to testify in an unrelated case and that the judge had personal connections with others associated with the case. Judge Lane refuted each of the points presented by the attorney, stating that he did not remember Wynn from any prior trials, nor did he have any social connections with anyone involved with the case. Attorneys for Wynn will now file a writ of habeas corpus, which would demand that a public official deliver an imprisoned individual to the court and show a valid reason for that person's detention. The hearing will allow the state and the defense to present their evidence about whether there is lawful basis for jailing the person. Wynn was sentenced to serve 16 to 40 years in jail, which is the maximum allowed by law, plus she was ordered to pay restitution of $62,340.37. The state of Nevada versus James Benetti made an appearance in district court on Friday. Benetti's last court appearance was September 9th to face charges from a September 2018 arrest. Benetti had made a plea agreement with a former Nye County Deputy District Attorney regarding his arrest with William Butler for possession of child pornography and lewdness with a minor. At a September 9th court appearance, the plea agreement was discussed with Judge Wonker, who requested more information regarding the deal because she felt the negotiated plea may be too lenient. The agreement reduced the charges from a felony crime that could carry a sentence of life in prison to a probational offense. The state appeared in court Friday with some answers to Judge Wonker's questions, stating that although they are not in agreement with the terms of the plea agreement made by former prosecutor Michael Vieta Coble, who now works for Washoe County, they are willing to keep their word on the deal that had been made by the former deputy district attorney. The decision to accept or deny the deal is within the purview of Judge Wonker, and she made the decision not to accept the plea deal that had been made. It is anticipated that defense and the district attorney's office will look to renegotiate a possible plea agreement. I'm Missy Kohler, and that's your court report.